As you can see here, um, so we have a current bearish structure based on the weekly time frame. As you can see, the market, a few weeks back around 24th of January, the market decided to, came and touched this what I call a demand zone. As we can see, price first time touched it, bounce went up. Second time went up. Third time went up, and then recently touched it. So as you can see, this 32 between 31 and 35K range is very, very strong support for Bitcoin. And therefore, we can tell that whenever price comes this range, there's more likely a reversal pattern going on. So therefore, due to the current structure, obviously we have a war going on. Therefore, the market's reacting supposedly. So therefore, see, so we had a break, retest this weekly supply zone, demand zone, came down here, touched this, touched this support here, and decided to go back and retest the same weekly support, same weekly resistance, which came down, which we're currently in a bearish right now. However, I believe there's two ways that the market is going to react. As you can see right now, I've displayed them carefully. If current weekly structure, current weekly price, obviously, is currently touching this demand zone. If price stays above here, this demand zone here, I believe that's it. It's going to be a reversal pattern, which I call the double bottom, meaning that price came, tested once, went to test resistance, came back down, and a W pattern, which is a double bottom. However, we have to wait for this candle to close. And when this candle closes, the next candle is either going to tell us if we're still in a bearish market or bullish market. So therefore, there's two ways about this. Whether current price, as we see right now, is going to close bearish, most likely because we have 3 days left, and obviously war's going on. The commodities are flying. Um, People are investing in safe currencies and assets. Therefore, gold and oil and platinum, all these asset classes will therefore go up in prices because there's a huge demand for people want to go for the safest option, especially in this time that we're in right now. So therefore, what I would tell all my investors to do at this point in time is to currently just sit out and watch the market do. So what I'll be waiting for, especially in this market frame, is I'll wait for the next weekly candle to determine whether there's a reversal pattern here for the market to change direction to go upwards to touch this very, very key supply and demand um, structure here, because I believe once the market comes and closes here, I believe the next candle or two candles can determine whether the market is either going down, which is once the market decides to goes further down below this structure, I believe we're going to be in the danger zone, which meaning that Bitcoin will more likely either. So this current candle closes and the next one closes above here, then our retest will come here, and then we're looking at somewhere around here price range, due to the fact that the current this the next week candle will determine where price or market structure is going to be at. But I personally believe that market will change direction. So I'll wait. But as I said, we have to wait. We don't just put it to the market. We react. So therefore, I will wait for the current candle to close, and because I believe there's a lot of buyers in this range here that will make sure the price of Bitcoin does not go below any of this range between 31 to 35K. I believe all the buyers, the big boys, the market makers will make sure price doesn't go below here, because if price decides to break below the structure, I'm pretty sure we're going to be living in a very, very bearish market. And with the way things are going, this could very likely be that situation. However, we have to wait and see what comes out of the market. So yeah, I would wait for the weekly market to close and then see what the next weekly candle says for the next run.